G is the centroid of triangle ABC, then GA bar plus GB bar plus GC bar. G is centroid of triangle ABC. A, B, C. G is centroid. Then the position vector. G is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Then the position vector of centroid is OG bar equal to OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar. Right? This formula we know. But what he asked, GA bar plus GB bar plus GC. Now GA bar is OA bar minus OC bar. Take O as RJ. GB bar is OB bar minus OG bar. GC bar right as OC bar minus OC. Then OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar minus 3 into OG. Now OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar 3 being this side becomes 3 into OG bar. 3 OG bar minus 3 OG bar is equal to 0 bar. AB bar AC bar are the sides of a triangle ABC. A, B, C. The vector AB bar given as 3A bar plus 4K bar. And AC bar given as 5Y bar minus 2J bar plus 4K bar are the sides of a triangle ABC. Then the length of the median through A. Median through A means let D is the midpoint of BC, then AD becomes the median. Now first we have to find the median AD, then after that find the length. Now here D is midpoint of BC means D divides BC in the ratio 1:1. Now AD bar vector is the median through AD bar is 1 into AB bar plus 1 into AC bar by 1 plus 1. That means 1 into 5Y bar minus 2J bar plus 4K bar plus 1 into 3I bar plus 4K bar by 1 plus 1. By simplifying 5I bar plus 3I bar 8I bar by 2 4I bar minus 2J bar here not 2 bar minus 2J bar by 2 minus J bar. Next 4K bar plus 4K bar 8K bar by 2 means 4. Now what is the length of the median to A? Here median is AD. Now the length of the median AD bar is equal to root over 4 square minus 1 whole square plus 4 square. That is root over 16 plus 16 plus 1
33.
Vectors A bar plus 2B bar and B bar plus 3C bar are collinear with C bar and A bar. That is given A bar plus 2B bar is collinear or parallel with C bar and B bar plus 3C bar plus C bar is collinear or parallel with A bar. Then find the A bar plus then find the value of A bar plus 2B bar minus 6. We know if two vectors are parallel or collinear, one vector can be expressed as the subscalar multiple of other vectors. We know that if A comma A bar is parallel to B bar, then one vector A bar equal to M into B or B bar equal to M into A. So in this case here, write A bar plus 2B bar is parallel to C bar means A bar plus 2B bar is equal to some scalar multiple of other vector x C bar. Let that scalar be x. And one more condition given, B bar plus 3C bar is parallel with A bar. That means B bar plus 3C bar is some scalar multiple of A bar. So let that scalar be by A bar. Now from this B bar is 3C bar, B bar equal YA bar minus 3C bar. Substitute in equation 1, let it be equation 1. Now equation 1 becomes A bar plus, here we have B bar only, but we require 2B bar, multiply with 2. 2y into A bar minus 6 C bar is equal to X into C bar. By comparing the like terms, compare like terms, we get here like terms means C bar, here C bar. X is equal to minus 6. So x equal to minus 6, substitute in equation 1. Then equation 1 becomes A bar plus 2B bar is equal to minus 6C bar. X value is minus 6. Minus 6C bar will decide A bar plus 2B bar minus 6C bar is
plus 6C bar.
Plus 6C bar. Bring minus this side, becomes plus. Of the sides AB, AC and BC of a triangle ABC, then BE bar plus AF bar is triangle ABC. DEF are the midpoints of AB, AC and BC. D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. And F is the midpoint of BC. D, E, F are the midpoints of A, B, AC and BC. What is B bar plus AF bar? B bar plus AF bar. B bar plus AF bar is. Now first, D is midpoint of AB means let OD bar is equal to, D is midpoint. Now AF bar is equal to F is the midpoint of BC. AF bar is equal to 1 into OB. Sorry, AF bar equal to AB bar plus AC bar by AB bar plus AC bar. AB bar plus AC bar by 1:1 ratio. Similarly, B bar is equal to B bar is equal to BC bar plus BA bar by here also 1:1. BC bar plus BA bar by the direction also important. AF bar, BE bar, then CD bar. CD bar is equal to CB bar plus CA bar by 1+1. CB bar plus CB bar plus CA bar by 1+1. Now see here, write CB bar and AF bar in terms of the CD bar. First we have to add those to BE bar plus AF bar. By adding BE and AF, we have denominator same. Take LCM. 2 is LCM. Then add numerators. What are they? AB bar plus AC bar plus BC bar plus BA. Here, from direction from A to B, A bar means AB bar, and BA bar means B to A. That means AB bar and BA bar are opposite side. Otherwise, AB bar equal to minus BA bar. If we interchange the positions of the initial and terminal points, we get the negative sign. That means AB bar equal to minus BA bar. BA bar and AB bar gets cancelled. Then remains AC bar plus BC bar. So write AC bar plus BC bar by 2 in terms of CD bar. Observe CD bar here, CB bar plus CA bar by 2. But here we have AC plus BC. Now we can change position vector and initial point, positions of the 2 points. Then minus we have minus CA bar minus BC bar becomes minus CB bar. From these two bring minus common, then remains CA bar plus CB bar. That is equal to minus CA bar plus CB bar by 2 is minus CB bar. But in options we have CD bar, BF bar like that. So minus CD bar, interchange these two position vector and initial vector, we get this. Otherwise, B bar plus A bar, bring minus CD bar, that side becomes plus CD bar. B bar plus A bar plus CD bar is 0 bar. That is also one more percent. Otherwise, minus CD bar equal to DC bar. Let the vector be A bar. That A bar is equal to I bar plus XJ bar plus 3K bar. The vector I bar plus XJ bar plus 3K bar is rotated to an angle theta and double is the magnitude, then it becomes 4I bar plus 4x minus 2 into j bar plus 2k bar. Let that vector be b bar 4I bar plus 4x minus 2 into j bar plus 2k bar. These two vectors given, let that vectors be a bar and b bar. So once again I repeat the question. The vector A bar is rotated through an angle theta and whose magnitude is double and it becomes B bar. That means given condition is B bar is equal to length of B bar is equal to 2 times of the length of the A bar. The magnitude of the terminal vector is 2 times, twice or 2 times the magnitude of the initial vector. That means length of B bar equal to 2 into length of A bar, that is given clearly. So now find the length of A bar. That is root over 4 square plus 4x minus 2 whole square plus 2 square is equal to 2 into root over length of A bar 1 square plus x square plus 3 square. Solves. Squaring on both sides, we will get 16. Here root cancel both sides. 16 4x minus 2 whole square, a minus b whole square, ax 16x square plus 4 minus 16x plus 4 is equal. Here 2 square we have 2 square means 4. 4 into root cancel 4 into 1 4 plus 4 into x square 4x square plus 4 into 3 square 3 square is 9 9 4 jar. Now bring all down this side becomes 16x square minus 4x square 12x square. Then x terms minus 16x. Next constant 16 plus 4. Here both sides 4 cancel. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 36 minus 16 equal to 3. 12 minus 16 16 are the multiples of 4. So divided by 4 we get 3x square minus 4x minus 4. Now factors 3 into minus 4 minus 6 minus 6 and 2. That becomes 3x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 equal to. So bring 3x common, then x minus plus 2 common, x minus. Then the factors are again x minus 2 common, then remains 3x plus 2 equal to. By simplifying this x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 by 6. Step t into I bar plus t minus step t into j bar plus step of t plus 1 into k bar. We have stepped in also the greatest integer function. If the vector f of 5 by 4 and I bar plus lambda k bar plus mu k bar are parallel. F of 5 by 4 is parallel to the vector I bar plus lambda k bar plus lambda j bar plus mu k bar. Then lambda and mu values. These two vectors are parallel. First we have to find the f of 5 by 4 value. Is step of 5 by 4 into I bar plus 5 by 4 minus step of 5 by 4 into j bar plus step of 5 by 4 plus 1 into 2. 5 by 4 means 1.25. Step of 1.25 means 1 only. 1 into I bar plus here 5 by 4 minus step of 5 by 4. Step of 5 by 4 is step of 1.25. Step of 1.25 and is 1 only. 1 into j bar plus step of 5 by 4 plus 1. Step of 9 by 4. Now 1 into I bar becomes I bar. 5 by 4 minus 1 is 1 by 4 into. Step of 9 by 4. Step of 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is 2 point something, that is step 2 point something means 2. 9 by 4. Okay. Now f of I by 4 we get I bar plus 1 by 4 into j bar plus 2 by 4. This vector is parallel to I bar plus lambda j bar plus mu j bar. We know if two vectors are parallel or collinear, then a1 by b1 equal to a2 by b2 equal to a3 by b2. Now substitute the values. 1 the ratio of the corresponding coefficients. 1 by 1 is equal to a2 lambda by b2 is 1 by 4 is equal to a bar mu by b3 is now 1 by 1 is 1 only. By equating these two, lambda equal to 1 by 4 and equating first and last will get mu equal to, so lambda is